Very shine everyone, especially YouTube family, as we all know that we are gonna have the international festival which known as the Diwali. So we will celebrate that festival. So before that festival, we are making a video which known as the debate. So it shows our energy to make you happy. So hope you will enjoy our enthusiasm, our energy. So now we are gonna have that take place, and our topic is that robots supposed to be in our life or not.
Okay, so in my opinion, robots should be exist in the world, because right now the mostly people are getting the benefit by the robots. Just like you can take the example of the out of the country, as well as right now in India also, what the people are doing in the hotels also, the robots are available, as well as how they are trading. They are trading in the well. So at that time it is good. As well as you can take the lot of the movies is made by the people, which is really
Sir,
nice.
Let me ask, when was the last time when you had splashed your own face? Don't you think that robots, if we will have the robots, so they could be known as the disaster for our humanity, because robots do not have the feelings. They can kill the human beings for their own survival. We have seen in a Age of Ultron, we have seen like robot 2.5.
First of all, right now we are talking about the movies. If we are talking about the movies, so at that time they are showing the both things, just like the robots should by the disadvantage also and the advantages also. Just like you can take the example of the 2.0 in that movie, but they are showing yes, mobile phone is also not good, but right now the people are getting the benefit by the help of mobile. So the same things apply on the
you say that, man, with the help of mobile people are getting the like benefits. There are a lot of people, those who get the scam just because of mobile, and those people have just ruined their life. Or on the other hand, if you're taking the favor of the robot, just imagine if the robot will take the place, then who will make the houses? What about the laborers? Their job will be taken by the robots. So don't you think that?
First of all, listen carefully. Right now the 100 people are there, and if 1 and 2 people are getting the scam, so at that time you will not blame the whole country. The one person is getting the scam, so at that time you will not blame the whole country. The same thing apply on the robots. Right now by the AI as well as by the help of the robot, we are getting a lot of the benefit. If the robot will exist, we will get a lot of the benefit. Just like right now, let me complete.
Let me say the benefits which you are talking about, those who are taking the liability, those who are the rich kid. But what about the majority people, the 90% of the people which in India which we are having, they are standing below the poverty line? What about those people? If robot will take place, then they are just gonna lose their job.
The simple thing is that why India is not developed, just because of that kind of the mentality, because the people are having that same kind of the mentality. If the person is having if you will visit the out of the India, why they are why they are having that kind of technology, just because of the mentality, because the people are using.
What do you think, that you are smarter than Elon Musk?
Yeah.
Are you smarter than Elon
Yes.
Musk? They are the words which was said by the Elon Musk. He said that, mark my words, if we are going to have the AI, so AI will ruin our whole world. So this is the line which said by the Elon Musk. Just imagine, robot is not good for our humanity. Those who are the laborers, they cannot make the house, because a robot can do a simultaneous work in a blink of eye.
So what's the disadvantage of this? Because if the laborers are not if the robot will make the house, so at that time labor will get another kind of job. How the robot will make? The robot will not make their own self. We need some of the people who will make that kind of things. As well as you are talking about the Elon Musk. First of all, the AI is also the
about the robot you are talking about. Where is your gun? Didn't you take breakfast, or you have forgotten your gun at your home? If I give the command to kill the Aman, the robot will kill you without thinking a single thought. So that shows the which kind of.
I think you right now you saw the robot movie, just because of that you are talking about that things. But in the lot of the sector, the robot will help you. Just you can take the example of the robot movie, how he saved the people from the when the house is burned. So at that time he saved a lot of the people, as well as by the robot we can save.
What about that girl? He had forgotten to put the clothes on her, so that's why she had to go on the line, and she got died just because of that incident. Because robots do not have the feelings, they cannot understand.
I think you didn't show the whole movie why that happened. As well as the scientist, he did some of the experiment to him by about the feelings and the emotion. By that he can do something. As well as right now the same things we can do in the robots.
Just make me understand. If you are lying in a hospital, if you are on the bed, and yours surgery is gonna happen, then whom would you like to give the take chance first? The robot and the doctor who is a specialist, since he has joined the profession. So who will do the surgery first? Just make me understand.
So I think if the person is able to give the service, so at that time we will prefer the robot also, because the robot is capable for doing that things better. The robot can do better than the human. That is the simple thing, because the robot having that kind of the capability.
If you give the chance to the robot, so first of all, robot will not be able to feel your pain, because human can only feel the human pain. Robot cannot feel. And hope so. If you will say I'm having the pain, just don't do this.
Okay,
robot
the simple thing is that right now you are the doctor, as well as you are feeling so the same thing about the pain, because the simple thing is that when you are the doctor, so at that time you will not feel the people pain. Yes, which kind of pain they are feeling. If you are feeling, so at that time your hand will you will not do anything about the people, but robot can do. If the robot having that kind of capability, so at that time the robot can do a lot of the things in the every sector. You can take the example of about the education sector, about the hospitality, as well about the police also. Like right now the crime is increasing, so at that time robot can easily catch the
thieves. Tell me one thing, as you are speaking English so much good, why are you learning English? So in order to get a job in MNC company and so on, whatever are your desires. But if just imagine if the robot will be here, so they are that much capable to do the job in a blink of eye, then their company will not need to you hire a simple person.
So why I want the job of the MNC company? Because if the robot is access, so at that time I will get the different kinds of jobs in the robot sector. Just like how the robot people are making the robot, so I get the job in that sector, as well as about the
I got it. You are the nephew of the Albert Einstein. That's why you are saying that you will get a job in different company and you will create your own job. Don't you think that robot is that thing which can work each and everywhere? And if we will have a robot, so there will be no need of human beings, because robot can do the work 24/7 hours, and they can keep continue their work for 7 days. They do not read.
So by that we are getting the benefit, buddy. Right now you are not thinking about yourself. Right now you are thinking about, and I don't know which kind of mentality right now you are having. Just think about yourself as well as about the people also.
Listen to me. I am not thinking about my own self. I am thinking about the whole entire the world, because I do not have the pathetic mindset like you, because I care about the people, because they are learning, they are getting the skills to in order to feed their family, because most of people have the responsibility to handle their family, to pay the fees, because if they will be not hired in a job, then who will pay? Are you here to
first
pay?
of all, listen, if the robot is exist, so at that time first of all it will take a lot of the time, as well as when the robot will exist, so at that time we should make some of the rules and regulation. By that the robot will not come in that post, as well as right now if robot will here, so at that time robot will not make a house. Robot will help in the government sector, as well as about the police, as well as about the army, because right now how much people are killing by the terrorists just because of that.
Shut your mouth and just listen to me. Have you come from the future? You are talking about robot will do this, robot will do this. Don't you think that a robot will come, then he can make the house, he can do the work in MNC company, he can become a teacher, he can become a police? Then what about, why are we here? We should die?
I think listen, right now you are talking about the future. So right now I didn't came to the future, but right now I think you came from the future. Just because of that, right now you are talking about that thing, because right now you know about the disadvantage of the future, because right now you are doing the prediction. But it's not like that. First of all, you have to open your mind. By that you can do a lot of the things in the future. Just like
which I'm saying to you, it can become the truth, because I have analyzed all the data, and I didn't say the thing. The thing has been said by the Elon Musk, who is the multi-billionaire in whole the earth, which exists so far in reality in today's date. So that's why I'm appreciating him, because he cares about the future.
Right now you are thinking about the Elon Musk, but right now you are not listening about the scientists, because right now they are also educated, as well as they are also having a mindset. Only Elon Musk is not all about he is not the genius. Right now the scientist also the genius, because we cannot believe on the about the Elon Musk. We can believe in little bit in the scientists also, because they did a lot of the things, as well as engineers also, because they are having a mind.
You are talking about scientists. Don't you know the coronavirus, which had killed millions of people in 2022 and 2021, just because of the virus had been created by the scientists, those who were in the China. So don't rely on the scientists. We should rely.
Yes, right now that's scientists. You are blaming the scientists. Elon Musk made that kind of vaccine about about the COVID vaccine. The Elon Musk made, it's not like that. So who made that? Like about the vaccine, scientists made, and about the doctors, they made the vaccine about the COVID. And you are talking about the Elon Musk. So he didn't do anything about our country. So why we are listening about him? So at that time it is not like that.
Just think practically. Just imagine if we are hammering the robot. Just listen to me for a while. If you are having, thank you, and like and subscribe our video if you liked our video. Sorry, I forgot.
Yeah, for everyone.